thought I saw a man brought to life. He was warm, he came round like he was dignified. He showed me what it was to cry. You couldn't be the man I adore. You don't seem to know, seem to care what your heart is for. But I don't know him anymore. There's nothing where he used to lie. My conversation has run dry. That's what's going on. Nothing's fine, I'm torn. I'm all out of faith. This is how I feel. I'm cold and I am shamed, lying naked on the floor. Illusion never change into something real. I'm wide awake and I can see the perfect sky is torn. You're a little late, I'm already torn.
Little wind slab there. Yeah.
So I guess the fortune teller's right. You should have seen just what was there and not some holy light. But you crawled beneath my face and now I don't care, I have no love. I don't miss it all that much. There's just so many things that I can't touch, I'm torn. I'm all out of faith. This is how I feel. I'm cold and I am shamed, lying naked on the floor. Illusion never changed into something real. I'm wide awake and I can see the perfect sky is torn. You're a little late, I'm already torn.
Oh yeah. It turns right here. I see it.
You just use it. I don't know. Just use it. I mean, actually, it looks like a bean. Slide over here. Let me go ahead and see how. Yeah, just fall.
Whisper to me when you smile.
Here we go, I'll catch you.
Where are we? What the hell is going on? The dust has only just begun to fall. Crop circles in the copper, sinking feeling, spin around again and rub my eyes, 'cause can't be happening when busy streets are mess with people would stop to hold their hands and feet. Trains are
Right here, Andrew.
sewing machines.
Go to your left. You can go straight down. I'll wait for him. Yeah, looks good, but I mean, watch it though.
Moments hung Ooh, hollow in spots.
The takeover, the
Yeah.
sweeping insensitivity of this
Giant roller balls. Hey, keep an eye on me here. Yeah. It's all gonna come down when I ski it.
Trains and soaring machine catch me around here.
Yeah, okay. It's crazy, huh?
They were here.
Look at it go.
What you say?
Yeah.
Oh, that you only meant well, cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best, cause it is. What you say? That it's just what we need. You decided this. What you say? What did she say? Some notes keep falling out your mouth. It's sweet darkness, people are gods. Cause speak no, feeling no, I don't believe you. You don't care a bit, you don't care a bit. Sweet darkness, people are gods. Speak no, feeling no, you don't care a bit, you don't care.